that the last time he sent the money, it was not enough to buy all the provisions.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell him.
Are you guys talking about money transfer to buy provisions?
Yes.
But don't you know about Baluwo?
Baluwo? What is Baluwo?
Baluwo is a service that your son can use to send provisions directly to you guys from the shop. And you don't have to worry about the exchange rate.
Tell me how Baluwo works.
It's very simple.
Just log on to baluwo.com and shop, or download the app on your phone. You can shop on the website or using the app to buy online basic products for your family and friends. With Baluwo, you decide what your money is spent on. Your money, your choice. Buy online products for your family and friends in the Gambia, Senegal, Nigeria or Mali. Baluwo, better than sending money.
Hi, my name is Buba Gajigo and you're watching Kerr Fatou. This is your educational program and we're going to bring you junior school lessons. Get your kids prepared by giving them pen, pencil or a book. I hope you'll enjoy these lessons.
Are you thinking of owning your dream homes? EJ Investment is here for you. Secure our quality bungalows with 2, 3 or 4 bedrooms, or our story buildings 3 or 4 to 5 bedrooms at very affordable prices with flexible payment plans at our Sanyang Seaview Estate, where you can enjoy the cool breeze with modern infrastructure such as tar roads, covered drainage system, modern electrification with street lights, gated entrance with security posts, and social amenities such as gas station, shopping mall, medical clinic, park, schools, children daycare, and a lot more. Our dedicated team of professionals will keep the estate clean at all times, provide security and patrol team within the estate premises, install latest technologies such as CCTV, Wi-Fi, home network installation, solar panel, and power backup system. Also, check out for our additional home facilities and interior design service such as premium tiling, wall plaster, home landscape, fingerprint home lock, and a lot more. Visit our office at Senegambia Kololi Highway and get a free site visit tour, or contact us on 4464-838. WhatsApp us on 3259220. Or you can visit our Facebook page or Instagram on EJ Investments. EJ Investments, we are first in properties.
Calling Ambulolo cool with whatever we do. Jioni safu no la with whatever we do. Haleyi demunyu skula nyepamne ne kudlukula nyepangi ragala gena nyepamne ne kudlukula ibuloke nungoto ni beti sola ibuloke dato ni betoto
Mingi Congo
Lamin
na
Lami te jibe norin te nyame Lamin
kabana
wulo kono nyinta mo Lamin
pabilenki
muna ngata afamole
haina
ngata ngoto le Fabrama
Mingi baba nyole
ngoto le Fabrama
Namu jumala kan kuma diten.
Fabrama
Jumala mu.
ndele bare muso
Lunda
keta
jamani mbere
alindo ko
jamani
bari ngoto man kontande
bari jamani fana na mudu ma kontan
ngoto minaka ngalamin de fom filitala Lamin jibe nori nyaala
Lamin ila siran sama ne benki yala so tol sayni no ko mo lakko momo
ngoto
nam
itedinte yalo ne Lamin hakkilo diata bake karambu ngoto anu santen ministry ko di ngole si suo ko na manke ko be holiday la
sibitu
bago na ringa
ala ni ku kede na mo balo
ala ni na ko na cartable be damina ala ni je
ngoto
nam
ngoto mon kontaan feren
jamna ni mu nekata
ite ka lamin ki wulo ko no nyin tay mon ko do fete malo lamin nyanta sila la be la moy kala karango
jamna ni karamol be soron ne ko fasita wulo ko nako
karambugol ma soron ni ko karambugol soron da manke comme holiday lem ngoto dini ngo nyanta sila la ala karango la moy yamen kamen fue man kontaan andamande
alla nyin kombo courant adanda la kombo len do la jan karamol le soron da doron kamen courant ma rado la kombo e don dol fana na karamol soron je karamol soron lamin adara lo nyino la aman tara fe na sokon ala mu nekela
am lamin ite foyde malon ko lesinol be ke kar radio to
nga fine
e ko nyani mo lamin ya mu na fonye
bir kabim mina kan ntambita nteri maning Fatou ntambite la sukala ala diningol bebe siri be la moyka
Fatou danso am fana tambira jele ni subala la ngaje diningol be je talanta nen kili warol e be seri jele
sa lamin fanante ku kili woke no la ba bad lamin bitaka wulo ko no nyin taymo alamin
amandara fenela
ite dine ko ni man si yakari lesinol la moy radio to ibalon na
muneka ke afonye ba nyara ni alon
telentel jikot
afonye ba munebe ke
ite balon tel be jikritel ni man karambe ku kele yaje nata karana mbasa malaya ay tarije
bar ñarande kombo courant ho findira kombo ide na raje den sonka bay ko lamin manya tala wulo ko adu karam mo be so dafa nyambe
ko to wole nati ba ngalle ni lamin kuntala kombo courant o ka fa me kombo courant asototal wala kinay ko e sisu ko no bari ni ko e sisu ko no be karangol dike la radio lin telel to hani tele masoto to nyaay man tele soto da bongo bar radio be bulen ko to batiri sanga ay si ay alamo
sa do kala nyaadi
ko ta o bulaji
abe kala nyaadi
kamun ke nyaadi
radio abe wala mo la be mona falaje
ibe la karandirol kala jele
ti talle be radio ko men ga karande
ila subjector baby jele baby jele
wala nanga chocho moy fa dan so wolya ngombe tambi kana ngadi ningol de be ikadum bungo de ko kada mala mo
asototal de
la min mala be kara wala de
bari laftalal ideal on ko inde every year second wala fourth
mona ni ko ma ko nde ko folle sinila ba nde le sinilo ne ba
mba say mba foke en koto wole fango yen wulindi yalo famo keta bat nyim fadam bulata ko ko don me yen nati jambi la min nyanta karana ndel beji ko be nyineka ya bulay kara wulo kono ta kilar ya bambalo yo be bulaje koto dindi ngoy si ayala le sino la moy radio
wala ka munda kara mo man so la min nyanta kara si so na radio
la sila le ayala le sino
ndal ko korna ko smolon
kilar ya
mo be ngala ko momo say mi do ni fano kera
mengi bruce
ndal ko radio la da ba rosa no radio ba no bari woro radio ni abe jele ba ngamra do man dembe buljan dala nyara nyar fo ko fendi mo la la min tayra ba rosa
bara te ku folo ajibe nori nya labi tamete ku
teku
bari ko do famo ke
imagine nani nyambol si zol le keje kisigi man si zol no le kafun ka nyoma bari nyambu kinol ni manya na kafinde ni nambe ko sor la jam
ngalle limbeta de be nyambo do dilanna
nyara ni ko rin fennat nyara nata
ko bari famo ke da
ngata bungono tambi bungono nyara ngando ko fele ko ke baru nganda ni pelo la dijak
iyo awa betar la
bungono bismillah bi sudi ara
ye fongo tanka sina dolu tanka koro ta koro
Hello viewers and listeners, I am John Sabomboch and this is our lesson 5 for lower basic schools. Today still we are on geometry. Our today's lesson is properties of a common plane series. Properties of a common plane series. If I say properties, I mean what you can see in a shape and call that shape, this is the name or these are the qualities of this shape. By looking at me, I am a young lady, fair in color, those are my properties, and I am a beautiful woman, those are my properties. My name is John Saba, I'm a tall lady, and I am beautiful. I'm fair in color, those are my properties. Now when we said properties of a common plane series, properties of a common plane shape. Those are the properties of that shape. You are going to look at the shape and set the properties of that shape. Circle. Before we did circles, let's recap that lesson. We said earlier on the previous lesson that a circle is a round shape that has close a cross section and its central point is the same distance as any point on the outer curve. If this is a circle, they said the center point here to the outer curve is the same distance. That is the circumference of the circle. The length of the radius are all equal. That is a circle. Are you seeing it? A rectangle is a plane shape that is formed with 4 straight lines and have its opposite sides equal. The 2 opposite sides are equal. These are the opposite sides. This side is opposite to this side, and this other side too is opposite to this other side. It is a rectangle. If you look at our sitting rooms, most of them are in a rectangular shape. If you go to a classroom, our classrooms are formed in a rectangular form. So the 2 sides are equal. Square of a rectangle. A square is a special type of a rectangle, which is also formed by 4 straight lines. In a square, it is a special rectangle because all its 4 sides are equal. All its 4 sides are equal. This shape has all its sides equal. And we said it earlier, what are the sides? When the lines, the sides are formed from a line, a straight line. The sides are formed from a straight line. This is a side. The side of this is a side of this square. This side is equal to this side. And here is also equal to this side. And here is also equal to this side. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Example of a square is what? We have some tables in a square form where all the sides are equal. Can you look around and tell me a shape in your compound or in your house where all the sides are equal? Where all the sides are equal. My sitting room, there all the sides are equal. Triangle. Triangle. This is a unique shape which is formed by 3 straight lines. A triangle is a unique shape which is formed by 3 straight lines. So any shapes formed by 3 straight lines, it is called a triangle. This shape is formed using 3 straight lines. It is a triangle. The lines or the sides can be equal. At times they may not be equal, but it is called a triangle. Example, some tables are in a triangular form, and some shapes or pictures in our rooms are in a triangular form. Circle and oval. To our today's lesson, that is called properties. As I define, I say properties are the qualities of something. Circles and ovals have no sides and no angles. This is a circle. It do not have any sides because it is formed from a curved line. circles, and oval. It is formed from a curved line. So a circle do not have any what? Sides, no sides, no angles. No sides, no angles. Because it is formed from a curved line. The lines are not straight. This is an oval. The lines are not straight. Example of a circle is a what? Objects which are formed using what? Curved lines are football, rounders ball, tennis ball, and what? Sphere. It is formed using what? A round or a curved line. Triangles. All triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles. All triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles. Properties of a triangle. These are the sides of a triangle. These are the sides of a triangle. Let me trace the sides. These are the sides of the triangle. This is a side of a triangle. It is having how many sides? 3. And they says, and 3 angles. Angles are called corners, where 2 lines meet, or where 2 straight lines meet. It is called an angle or a corner. One angle, 2 angles, 3 angles. That is a property of a triangle. The properties are, it is formed from 3 straight lines, it is having 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 sides and 3 angles. The same here. This other triangle also is having 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. And these are the sides of the triangle. 1, 2, 3. These are the sides of this second triangle. The second triangle, 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. These are the sides of this triangle. Remember, these are plane shapes. And these are the angles of this triangle. These are the angles or corners of this triangle. Where 2 lines meet, it forms an angle. And these are the angles. Quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. If I say quadrilaterals, it means 4. Quad means what? 4. So these shapes are having 4 sides, 4 angles. Quadrilaterals have different names. Quadrilaterals have different names. Example, this is a square. This is a square. And it is a quadrilateral. What makes it a quadrilateral? Because it is having 4 sides, 4 angles. Another example is a rectangle. A rectangle is having 4 sides, 4 angles. A parallelogram is what? This shape here. It is having 4 sides, 4 angles. These are the angles. Where 2 straight lines meet are called the angles. And these are the sides. This is a trapezium, and it is having 4 sides, 4 angles. So it is a quadrilateral. These are all quadrilaterals with different names. So if they said an angle with 4 sides, 4 angles, you can say therefore they are called quadrilaterals. Square. I said quadrilaterals have 4 sides. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. Is square a quadrilateral? Is square a quadrilateral? Yes, because this is a square and it is having 4 sides. It is having 4 sides and 4 angles. So that makes square a quadrilateral. But in this case, let's observe this square very well. Or let's look at this square. The properties of this square are, it is having 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. All these sides are equal. All the sides are equal. And 4 equal angles. A square is a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. They also have parallel opposite angles. Parallel opposite angles. The angles there are parallel. This angle and this angle, because this line here and this line, if they are moving in the same direction, they will never meet. That makes it parallel, and the angles are also what? Parallel. So a square is a special what? A special quadrilateral, because all the sides and all the angles are equal. Rectangle. Rectangle. A rectangle, is it a quadrilateral or not? A rectangle is a quadrilateral. What makes a rectangle a quadrilateral? Because it is having 4 sides and 4 angles. That makes it a quadrilateral. But properties of a rectangle are, because our today's lesson we are looking at properties of common plane shapes. Properties of a rectangle are, all rectangles have 4 sides and 4 angles. 2 pairs of opposite equal sides. Opposite sides that are parallel. The first point there says 4 sides and 4 angles. These are the sides. These are the sides. 4 sides and 4 angles. These are the angles. Two pairs of opposite equal sides. It means this side here and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. This side and this other side too are equal. Opposite sides that are parallel. These 2 sides here, the width of this triangle is parallel to one another, because this line and this side here, if they are moving in the same direction, they will never meet. So they are parallel. Those are the properties of this rectangle. I am a shape. I have 4 sides and 4 angles. 2 pair of opposite equal sides. What am I? which shape am I? A shape with 4 sides and 4 angles, 2 pair of opposite equal sides. What shape am I? I am a rectangle. Trapezium. All trapeziums have 4 sides and 4 angles. 4 sides and 4 angles. These are the sides. Now we know what the sides are. We trace the sides. These are the sides of this trapezium. And these are the angles. Where sides meet are called the angles. They also have 2 sides that are parallel. Trapeziums have 2 sides that are parallel. Example, look at these two. These 2 trapeziums, 2 sides here are parallel, but these other ones are not parallel because as they are going in the same direction, they will meet at a point. But these 2 other lines or sides will never meet because it is a parallel line. If they move in the same direction, it will never meet. This one too is a trapezium. It is having 4 sides, and 4 angles. But the 2 lines here, or the 2 sides, are not parallel. These other 2 lines are parallel. Because if they move in the same direction, they will never meet. But with this line, which are slanted, as they are going in the same direction, they will meet at a point. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Look at this shape. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is a quadrilateral because it is having 4 sides, 4 angles. It is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral because it is having 4 sides, 4 angles. Now look at the properties now. It says all parallelograms are quadrilateral. So therefore we are right. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. The opposite sides are equal and parallel. The opposite sides, these are the opposite sides. These are the opposite sides. They are equal and parallel. These opposite sides are equal and parallel. A square is a parallelogram because it is a quadrilateral. A rectangle is a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral. 4 sides, 4 angles. This is a diamond. This shape here, it is having 4 sides, 4 angles. It is a quadrilateral. This is a rhombus. It is having 4 sides, 4 angles. It is a quadrilateral. Try questions. Copy and complete the table below. Shapes, number of sides, number of corners or angles. Shapes, number of sides, number of corners or angles. Let's answer the first shape together. This is a shape with what? How many sides? Let's count the sides together. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. The first shape is having 4 sides. 4 sides. Number of corners or angles. Angles are formed when sides meet. So the angles are 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of angles are also 4. Number of angles are also 4. Number of sides 4, number of angles 4. Now try this once on your own. This shape here is what? It is a triangle. We did triangles before. This is a rhombus, but the second shape is a triangle. How many sides does it have? And how many corners or angles? The third one is a semicircle. Is a semicircle or half of a circle. Example 2, this is a triangle. You are going to give me how many number of sides this triangle is having and number of angles or corners it is having. This shape is a triangle. 3, this is a semicircle or half of a circle. How many sides does it have? And how many angles or corners does it have? This shape here, the third or the fourth one, is the fourth one because the first one, we did that one together. This is a pentagon. Pentagon. How many sides does it have? And how many what? Angles or corners. The last one is called a hexagon. It is having how many sides and how many corners. Thank you for viewing and listening. Observe the advice from our health workers. Stay home and be safe. I thank you all.